In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export invoices in Zoho Books step by step. If you need to download your invoices for accounting, reporting, sharing with your accountant, or simply keeping an offline backup, Zoho Books makes it really easy once you know where to look. The problem is that many users search around the dashboard and miss the export option because it's slightly hidden inside the Invoices section. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact clicks needed to export your invoices in just a few seconds. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly generate an export file of your invoice data directly from Zoho Books. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this one. All right, let's jump right into it. First, log into your Zoho Books account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're inside Zoho Books, look over to the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. This sidebar contains all of the core modules like sales, purchases, banking, reports, and more. Since invoices are part of the sales process, the first step is to click on the option called Sales in the left sidebar. As soon as you click Sales, Zoho Books will expand the section and show several options related to sales transactions. Inside this list, you'll see items such as customers, estimates, retainer invoices, and invoices. Go ahead and click on Invoices. This will open the full Invoices page where all of your created invoices are listed. Here you can see details like invoice numbers, customer names, status, dates, and totals. Now that you're on the Invoices page, the next step is to locate the export option. Look toward the top right corner of the Invoices screen. You'll see a small menu icon that looks like three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu icon. This icon opens additional actions for managing your invoices. Go ahead and click on that three-line hamburger menu icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to the invoices list. Inside this menu, look for the option labeled Export Invoices. This is the feature that allows you to download your invoice data from Zoho Books. Click on Export Invoices to continue. After selecting Export Invoices, Zoho Books will begin preparing your invoice data for export. Depending on your settings and the number of invoices in your account, Zoho will generate a downloadable file that contains your invoice records. This exported file is typically used for reporting, analysis, sharing with your accounting team, or importing data into other tools. Once the export is ready, you'll be able to download the file directly to your computer and store it wherever you prefer. Many businesses use this feature regularly to maintain backups of their financial records or to analyze sales performance outside the Zoho Books dashboard. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, exporting invoices in Zoho Books only takes a few clicks once you know where the option is located. Just go to Sales, open Invoices, click the hamburger menu in the top right, and select Export Invoices. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Zoho tutorials, accounting software guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.